Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to change a location on the BLK app. Now, the first thing I want you to go ahead and do is launch the BLK app, and then come here to the top left and click on this icon, okay? Click on this icon, and you'll get to our preferences. Now, once this loads up, what I want you to go ahead and do is scroll down, right? So we have options for social and dating, okay? Now here, the first thing you can do is, of course, toggle this one off if you don't want people from your own area to get your location. And if you want them to get your location, but you just want to slightly change it, what you can do is come here and just reduce the distance, okay? Now, if you want worldwide, then you can just put this to max and you'll get people from all over the world, right? And it's really that easy and simple.